Welcome to SalesJunction for Beginners Part 2. In this walkthrough, I'll be going through the settings area, or ways you personalize how or where you start your navigation of the system, as well as some other choices that allow you, once again, to tailor the system to your particular needs. So all you have to do is go to the My Settings at the upper right-hand corner. Here is where I can maintain my password or change it if I wanted to do so. Next is email. This is the email that is sending your emails from SalesJunction. So when you compose an email and send it in SalesJunction, the recipient believes you sent it from this email account. You can set your time zone to anywhere in the world here. You can select a date format. I prefer month, date, year, but it's entirely up to you. Here you can select your color scheme. So you can pick any of the standard color schemes that come with the system, or you can have your system administrator, or you can do it yourself, use the setup area to create your own specific color scheme. Here is where your local currency character can be chosen. This just helps present currency the way you wish to see it. In this case, we have dollars. Then we have your menu options on your right-hand side. You have your default view, which is the view or dashboard that you start off with when you enter the system. So when you log on, you can have the system direct you to accounts, contacts, opportunities, etc. In our case, we have contacts as our default. You can change the order on the left-hand side of your screen by clicking up or down. So you'll see we have search, account views, contact views, opportunity views, calendar views, activity views, and case views. I also have a Gmail inbox. The Gmail inbox is explained in the video Gmail integration, so you currently may not see this option available on the left. And then, within each of these specific areas of the system, what will be the default piece of information or pieces of information that display at the bottom is in your control. So in the record behind us, we see it's Gravel Company, and that the notes are being displayed. You can actually select when you go into your contact records which piece of information you want to see displayed first, notes or opportunities. When you're looking at accounts as the head of records, you can choose if you want to see activities, notes, opportunities, or contacts below it first. And the same goes for opportunities. You can change the behavior of your left menu options. So you can just open one at a time, or more than one at a time, or more than one open at a time with all of them open when you start the system. You can set up the number of rows in a particular view. You can go up to 50 rows displayed in a view at once. You can do the same in controlling detailed views. Email alerts is another really important setting for the system. So you can have the system automatically send an email alert to you to the email you have above. Anytime anybody changes or adds a note on an account you own. You can do the same for if you're the system admin or have security rights to all records in the system. You can get an automated email notification whenever anybody makes any changes to any notes or adds a new note to the system. There's additional information that's used for the mail merge, which is also another topic you can find help on in the SalesJunction site. So that pretty much wraps up the basics for SalesJunction. We discussed the visual cues and icons without having to click on much, and a general settings overview for your new system. If you have any further questions, you can contact us at support@salesjunction.com.